Welcome back, everyone. If this is your first time here, you're going to find a lot of videos about home mortgages, home buying, saving money at home, all kinds of things related to that. So if you're a homeowner or want to be one day, then please hit that subscribe and bell notification icon. This video is about qualifying for a mortgage as an independent contractor or a 1099 employee. So if you're watching this, you might have found this video because you're searching for a solution. A lot of self-employed or independent contractors have difficulty qualifying for a mortgage because they write off too much in their taxes. You don't want to give away your hard-earned money to the government by paying extra taxes. You're taking legitimate tax deductions off of your annual tax returns, so that makes it very difficult to qualify for a mortgage, as you know, because after all of your write-offs, you're left with a low net income, possibly a loss, and then the mortgage companies for a conventional loan, for example, or FHA, are going to look at that net income after your write-offs when trying to qualify you, which most of you have difficulty doing that. Same thing if you're a 1099 employee, which is essentially the same thing, a little bit different. You might not have as many expenses, but you're considered in a way self-employed. You might even be a 1099 employee working at a restaurant and earning a lot of cash. If that's the case and you're not depositing all of your cash in the bank, you might have an issue regardless as to whether or not you're trying to qualify for a conventional or FHA type of a mortgage. So anyhow, there are some solutions for you. Well, first, maybe you don't write off too much, and if that's the case, you may be eligible. You may be able to qualify for a conventional mortgage or an FHA loan. So if you have a credit score of 620 or better, and you're not sure if you write off too much, maybe speak to a loan officer and have them check out your income and assets and look at your tax returns and then determine whether or not you qualify. There are quite a few lenders that are accepting FHA applications with high DTI, over 50%. So that might work for you too. However, what you're going to find though is that the majority of you are not going to be able to qualify this way. So you're going to look for an alternative mortgage program to help you to qualify despite having all these write-offs. So what I think you likely are going to find yourself applying for is a bank statement loan. A bank statement loan is going to look at your average monthly deposits over the last 12 months, for example. Some lenders offer a 24-month program. The majority of the lenders that offer these programs right now are just looking at your last 12 months bank deposits, personal or business accounts. It does not matter. Each lender will use a different formula. They'll take a percentage of that average, and that number will be used on your loan application as your gross monthly income. Then from there, you're going to look at your proposed mortgage payment, principal, taxes, and interest and insurance, as well as anything else, any other monthly obligations that may appear on your credit report, like a car payment or minimums on your credit cards and student loans. That kind of gets handled a little bit differently depending on the loan program. That's a different video that's going to come later. So this bank statement loan, not all lenders offer it, and right now as I record this in August of 2020, a lot of lenders have adjusted their guidelines as well. So the program in the past has been available with as little as 10% down with for high credit, and up to 25 to 30% down with poor credit. Cash out refinances can be done too. Maybe 70 to 75% loan to value. This program was available for credit scores below 600 before COVID. However, now 600 credit score is the lowest you're going to find. But regardless, if you're self-employed, an independent contractor, a 1099 employee, what you're likely looking for is a bank statement loan. And if you have any questions about the program or want to know if you qualify, just leave a comment down below. I'm also going to link to an article all about this in the description, and also in the pinned comment, the first pinned comment down below. If you have any other questions, just leave them down there and I'll get to them pretty quickly. And if you need anything else, just send an email and we'll take care of you. Have a great day.